If I were to start day trading with no experience and no money, this is exactly what I would do. Whether you're a complete beginner or restarting your trading career, I'll be going over the fundamental aspects of day trading and what you should learn in order to avoid making the same mistakes I have. Now is the easiest time to start day trading. You don't need to invest a lot of money. There's so many free resources online. The only thing you need to invest in is in your time. When I started day trading over a decade ago, I used to watch hours and hours of videos on the weekends in order to learn more about trading. These are the actual videos I learned from back in 2011, 2008, 2010. So as you can see, these are pretty old. There's so much to learn about day trading, like technical analysis, candlestick patterns, moving averages, support and resistance. But now there's so many free resources online that I would just go on YouTube. There's so much to learn. I would say YouTube is probably the best place for you to learn about day trading. One of the things I would probably do over is I would learn more about paper trading. I would actually have a paper trading account to start with and trade with essentially a fake account, because I felt like when I started with my real money, with my real account, I wasn't necessarily following my strategy because I was too afraid and I didn't know what I was doing. That's how you learn the hard way and you end up losing money when you start. When I started day trading, I was hoping that I would be able to replace my income over the long term. When I seen that wasn't really happening and it was taking longer than anticipated, I started looking at penny stocks, because I could see how quickly you could make money trading penny stocks. But what I also didn't realize is how quickly you could lose money trading penny stocks. So I soon realized I'm not going to do this strategy anymore, and I just started playing with real stocks over the long term. This is my baby Leo. Hey Leo, you want to trade stocks with mom? Yeah? Leo, you want to trade stocks with mommy? So the two first things I would do to avoid making the mistakes I did was I would avoid buying penny stocks, and I would also start paper trading for sure, 100%. Another thing I would do if I were to start over is I would pick a brokerage that would charge me less fees. When I started trading over 10 years ago, my fees were like $10 each time I bought and sold a stock. So nowadays I don't pay anything. The only thing I pay is with my account that I use for margin trading, the short stock. I do pay a little bit, but it's not very much. It's maybe a couple cents or a couple dollars depending on how much I'm trading. But compared to what I was paying to over 10 years ago, that equates to a lot of savings. So it's really important for you to find a brokerage that allows you to save a lot of money on fees. Banks nowadays still charge a lot. So there's so many companies out there that charge so much less. So those are the ones I would go to. The next thing I would do is I would have a trading plan, but don't have like a 10-page plan that's impossible to follow. That's exactly what I did when I started. So when I had too many steps to follow, it was too hard to follow through with it. So of course my strategy fell apart and my profits did not soar because I was too focused on following the exact plan. Now I find that if you simplify it, that's the ideal way to trade. You just need to simplify, don't overcomplicate it. You'll make more money that way. Now, some of the things I would focus on doing and not what not to do. I would do more research about companies' earnings, check out more news websites. Those are a few things that I would say I did not do that much that are probably more important as well. And never stop learning. You want to attend different seminars, webinars, different sessions, watch people on YouTube. Just try to learn as much as you can. Every day, learn something, because the more you're going to learn, the better you're going to get, and the quicker you're going to get there. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I would love to hear what your experiences have been with day trading. So comment below, and please follow me for new videos every week, and have a wonderful day.